Hi, so my name is Emmanuel, and I'm at the Freedom Challenge course here in London. And yeah, this is day 3. So quite excited, really. I've already been involved in property for 5 years, and I've attended similar courses before with Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So at a point I thought I knew a lot, but I realized to my shock there's quite a lot that I didn't know until I came for this Freedom Challenge. So yeah, it's an eye opener to a lot of things that have changed within the industry, as well as the opportunities to network with you know people that are in the industry who are more experienced, who are doing quite well. It's just good to rub shoulders with them. So yeah, very excited.
And have you seen any deals be made in the room? Have you had any leads or anything like that?
I've seen quite a few deals actually, happening, and I was thinking, well, if other people can actually do it, then what's actually stopping me from doing it? So I just realized that, well, do you know what? My fears have actually been the stumbling block for me to actually get some deals done. One of the other things I just learned now is, when you go to certain websites, they can actually lead you to finding like corporate lets and things like that. They give the details. So I was like, wow, I didn't know about that. Yet 5 years, I've been, talking to landlords. I've been talking to agents. So yeah, it's quite good, really. I'm quite happy that I've invested time and money for this particular Freedom Challenge.
Amazing. And final question: what's it like? What's Samuel like? What's his energy like?
It's amazing energy. I mean, just he carries a presence wherever he is, and it's just an amazing presence that he carries. He's very approachable. He's a very generous man. Because I was just thinking, what is it about him that he wants to share this knowledge? But he's somebody who's passionate about seeing people become, successful. So what I would say is any sort of like negative press whatsoever, I've seen it for myself. It's total rubbish. He is the real deal. That's what I can say about Samuel Leeds. He's the real deal.